Welcome to Big Puff and Eat. Stuffed mushrooms are the most appetizing appetizer, say that 5 times fast, that anybody could ever eat, in my opinion. So today I'm going to show you how to make them real quick, simple, and easy for Thanksgiving. Step one, let's preheat the oven to 400. And then we're going to grease a baking sheet with cooking spray. And then we're going to remove these stems from the mushrooms. And then we're going to finely chop our stems. And then we're going to go ahead and put the mushroom caps right on the baking dish. Step two, in this pan, we're going to go ahead and put our butter, get it all melted down. Then we're going to add our chopped mushroom stems that we chopped earlier. We're going to cook them until the moisture comes out. It's like 5 minutes, guys, is what you're going to need here. And then we're going to add garlic, and you know that is for the fragrant of it. 1 minute is all you're going to need on this cooked garlic. And look at me adding the breadcrumbs and toasting slightly for 3 minutes. And then we're going to season with salt and pepper, and then let's get this off the heat and remove it and get it cooled off. We're going to go ahead and take our bowl here. We're going to go ahead and put our mushroom stems in, our Parmesan, our cream cheese, our parsley, our thyme, salt, and of course pepper. We're going to mix that all about, and then we're going to go ahead and not do the hokey pokey, but we're going to fill our mushroom caps with the filling, and then we're going to sprinkle more Parmesan right on top of those mushrooms. Now, step four is the easiest besides eating, is we're going to go ahead and bake them. Remember, we're warming up our oven at 400. We're going to bake these bad boys up until they're soft. Bake for about 20 minutes. We're going to go ahead and pull them out, put some parsley on top, and we're going to taste them. 20 minutes are up on the stuffed mushrooms. It's now time to taste, our favorite time of the video. So let's test these bad boys out. Yes, so good. I love it. The breadcrumbs are super crunchy. I love this recipe. If you guys like recipes like this, go ahead and click or tap the screen now to check out more recipes I got for you. And I'll catch you in the next cook. Thanks.